Good morning, YouTube. This is Eric with Dove Design. I had a custom order come in last night on my Etsy shop, and I wanted to kind of take you through what I have to do in order to get a custom order ready to go and shipped out to a customer. This particular order was from a repeat customer, and it was actually a similar design that I had already done for them before, but they wanted the second one. They wanted it in a different color, and I wanted to show you what I did in order to customize it to their specifications. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the design is done. I was given an STL file by the customer, and there were specific dimensions that they needed the final product to be in. So I've modified the dimensions of the product to exactly what they asked for. Also changed the color to a different one than they had ordered the first time. But basically, in the slicer, you can modify height, length, width, and I did that. Had to convert between millimeters and inches. But the file is ready to go. It's sliced up. It's going to take about an hour and 45 minutes, and it's going to be about 44 grams of filament. Okay, so the prints are done. I'm going to go ahead and pull them off the plate here. Let's see. The box turned out okay. Looks pretty good, actually. Pretty happy with that. However, I did notice during the print that the lid lifted up from the bed. I don't know if you can see there, but it's warped on the bottom. Got some fuzzies. It's just a little rough around the edges, so not happy with that. I would not send that out to a customer, so I am going to go ahead and reprint that. It happens. That's part of 3D printing. Filament waste is part of what you build into your cost, or in your prices anyway. And yeah, so I'm gonna go and get that on the printer, get the lid going, and we'll see how that turns out again. Okay, so the replacement lid just finished. Bring it over here, and turned out much nicer. Didn't warp, very clean. So happy with that. Bring it over here to my little shipping station. And with this type of stuff, I would put it in these little bubble sleeves. I actually am going to put two, or each piece in two of them for extra protection. So each of those will get those, and then it'll go into just one of these small padded envelopes. Also throw in one of my cards. Check me out. Yeah. That'll go out tomorrow. So one of the things that I really love about custom orders is I think it presents more of a unique challenge, especially if someone provides you with a file and they need modifications to it. Since I'm not doing any actual custom modeling right now, because I'm still learning Fusion 360, I think it's still fun, right? I'm not pulling a model that I found online and putting it out there and hoping that someone will buy it, which I do for other things, but when it comes to custom on-demand printing, it's something that someone already wants. So I'm going to go ahead and get it printed exactly how they want it, get it in the mail, and hopefully they're happy. Okay, that's going to do it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully, that shed some light on what I do for on-demand printing and kind of my process that goes into it. But if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.